So like I said, today we're going to go over internal and external responses and how that develops our character, okay, in a story. And we're going to start off with external. The external traits are the easiest to spot. External traits are just something you can see and use to describe what a character looks like or how they're behaving, such as their actions. So, basically, if somebody robs your house and you got a good look at them, you'll probably be able to describe what they look like to the police. Or say somebody was acting, strange at the grocery store. You might be able to describe what that person was doing, what they look like to a friend. So external traits are just the traits you can see on the outside, and these traits include what they look like and how they are behaving. So for example, we can probably easily describe Ronald McDonald. He has red hair, as you can see, bright red hair. He's wearing his clown suit and his clown shoes, right? And if you were to see him at the McDonald's, he'll probably be acting like a clown, right? Juggling or making jokes, trying to get little kids to smile. So we can see from her description that she is a soccer player. She's wearing her soccer uniform, she has a soccer ball, and she has her cleats on, right? And it looks like she's about ready, or she is kicking that ball. Then we can describe SpongeBob, right? Yellow, skinny little legs, buck teeth, and he looks like he's laughing, right? So external traits, traits that we can see, all right? And these external traits also help us know the role of a person. The role of a person, so my role in the school is to be a teacher. So I'm more than likely going to talk to you in my teacher voice. I'm going to look the part of a teacher, like the way I dress and the way I behave in the classroom. Just like your role in the school is to be a student, right? So you're probably going to come in dress code or in your uniform if you come back. You might have your books in your hand, your backpack on your back, or you could be seated waiting and for the lesson to begin. So that's your role. Just like Ronald McDonald has a role being a clown, that's his role. And her role right now is to be a soccer player. So those are external traits. So what I want us to do, what you're going to do in a minute, is you're going to watch this video, okay? And as you're watching the video, what can you say about the stork? Because there's two main characters in here, the cloud and the stork, but we're focusing on the stork right now. How does he behave and look from beginning to ending of the short film? Because in order to see our character development, we have to see how he is in the beginning. How does he look? How is he behaving? And then how is he by the end? And we're probably going to say the middle too. To middle to ending of the short film. And a lot of times these behaviors will help us find the problem or the conflict of the story. So as you're watching it, pay attention, just pay attention to how the stork looks and behaves from beginning to middle to ending. Because like I said, this is going to help us with our character development, and it's eventually going to lead us to plot, but not right now.